Hello everyone, my name is Rupesh Bedge. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss something about the Power BI. If you are interested in learning Power BI, that you are in come to the right place. On this channel, I will teach you everything from beginning to advanced using particular example and real world project. This is my first video, our complete Power BI course. By the end of this series, you will be able to build the professional dashboard, write DAX, clean data using Power Query, and come confident to work on real business project. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell icon to get the latest update. Now let's start our Power BI journey. So today our agenda is that now in this video we are going to learn what is the Power BI, why is it used, download and install Power BI desktop, how we are going to download and install Power BI desktop, import the Excel file, create your first interactive dashboard, publish your report. Let's begin. What is the Power BI? Before creating the dashboard, let's understand what Power BI actually is. Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It will help us to convert raw data into meaningful dashboard and reports. Imagine your company is a store thousands of sales records in Excel. Your manager asks question like which city generated the highest sale, which category earned the most profit, which product sold the most, what is the revenue, real time revenue. So finding this answer manually in Excel takes a lots of time. But in Power BI, we can answer all these questions within the second using interactive visuals. That is why Power BI is one of the most popular business intelligence tool today. Why learn the Power BI? So today almost every company generates a huge amount of data. Data alone has no value unless we analyze it. Power BI help organizers to make better business decision through visual report. That's why companies hire data analysts, business analysts, MIS executive, reporting analysts, and BI developers. If you're planning in if you're planning a career in the analytics, learning a Power BI is one of the best investment you can make. Okay, so let's move to my laptop and we see how we are going to download the Power BI desktop and how we are going to install. Okay, so you need to go to the Google or anything if you have Edge and Google Chrome whatever. Just go here and just write it Power BI desktop. So you will get the first link Power BI desktop. So you need to click here, and after that you need to go to the advanced download option. Then here if you see it is need to select the language, then download. So it's going to download. So once you download this, you just need to double click on that setup file and you need to next. So Power BI desktop is going to install in your system. So once you download it, you're going to search here Power BI desktop. See, it's look like this one. So you just need to open it. It will take time. It's depend on your system configuration. So this is your view, first view for Power BI. So you just need to click on the blank. So it's asking you if you want to create using by any this source or you're going to create the blank report. So for now we are going to just click on the blank report. So this type of view we will get the first time. So let's load up. This is the first view of Power BI. This is the tab in top corner. So these all are option to get the data in the Power BI to develop the report. Okay. So if you see the left hand side now, there's three important option is here, like report view, table view, and model view. So in the report view means this is the view that is a report view where you can drag and drop all the visualization. You can just visual your data to present to the customer or stakeholder. This view where you will suppose once you add the data here, the table. So what data in that table you can see here? That's called table view, model view. So model view is what whenever once you have two, three table here, so we can give the relationship between the table. So it's called the model. So where we can make star schema modeling like that. And if this side, if you see here, this is the visualization panel. From this visualization panel, you can drag the visual to the report to visualize your data. And here, if currently we don't have any data, so it is showing a blank. So let's we can import one sample data from the Excel. So to import the data from the Excel, there's a multiple way you can do that. For example, here the shortcut is there, import data from the Excel. Otherwise, here also you can see get data. Otherwise, here also you have the option to import the data from the source. So let's see from here. So as I said, there's a multiple source we can connect to the Power BI data source. See, for example, Excel workbook, Power BI, semantic model, data flow, Dataverse, SQL Server, analytics service, text CSV. For now, for starting to show you the exact starting in the starting beginning, I will going to import the data from the Excel workbook. So I already have some dummy sample data. See this one, Power BI sample sales data. So I'm going to import it. So if you see here, I selected that Excel file. So after selecting the Excel file, it will show the sheet's name. If in the Excel there's a multiple sheets, so it will show the two three name of that sheet. So in our Excel, there's only one Excel file which called sales data. So I'm selecting this one. So once you select that sheet, now you will see the data inside that sheet. So in our Excel file, there have a data column, date column, year column, month, city, category, product, sales, quantity, profit. Okay. So before the load, now just you need to click on the transform data. So why we are doing like that now? So for example, if you want to do any ETL process, like if you need to add any column, calculated column, not calculated column, a custom column or something, you want to do transformation, you want to filter out for the particular category or particular city, so you can do it here. So currently we don't need to do anything. So you once see if you see here in right hand side we are getting the all the steps what it is applied automatically whenever you are importing the source. Okay, so let's do the close and apply. So our table is has loaded now. See, so right hand side you will see the below the data you will see the all the tables what whichever you added. For example, currently we have a single table, that's the reason it is showing single table. So you can see the column as well. And if you see here as table view I shown you earlier, if you click on that and you can select on the table, so you will see the data which have in the table. Okay, so date, year, month, city, category, product, sales, quantity, and profit. So let's do small visualization. So for example, I need to add the cluster bar chart. So I'm just going to drag the category in y-axis and x-axis. I'm going to just add the quantity. See how simply you can do the visualization. we have three category: electronic. Let me make a big screen. Maybe it is not visible. See, and you can add the card as well. If you want card, you can add card. For a in card, we can add profit. I'm going to add trade line as a date. See, so this is the trade line showing backside, and this is our total profit. Currently, it is showing for all the period because we are not filtering any month. And if you want to, and you can also add the matrix, which call pivot in the Excel file, Excel. So here, if you see, let's see, we need month in column, city in row, and we need sales. So let's, instead of month, we can add year. So we'll drag year in column. So this is for a single year. It is better we can add month. However you want, you can visualize it. See how simple it is. Just drag and drop. But not only drag and drop, we'll learn more about the DAX as well. I'm just showing the how Power BI work, how we can drag the data and how we can visualize it. And you can add slicer as well here to filter out your data. Let's add category in the slicer. Currently three category. So you can select the category and you can filter out your data. How simple and how easily you can do that. So no need any previous experience. You can learn it very easily. Just you need to do the practice. That's it. So most of important things in Power BI, you need to learn how to transform the data, ETL, ex- extract, transform, load. So that one of the thing is important in Power BI, and second thing is DAX, and third thing is modeling. If your modeling is if your modeling is good, so your report performance also is good, and you can make the DAX as well. So this is the Power BI, and you can learn it. Definitely, you can learn it. So come to me again. So what we learned today. So mostly we understand what was the Power BI, why company use it, how to install it, and how to import the data from the source. Today we seen the example from the Excel and how we going to add the visual, what was the tab is there, and what was the visualization is there. There's a more option is there, but today I shown you in short something important things. So in the next video, we are going to learn Power Query, where I will show you how to clean and transform messy data like professional data analyst. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and share, so I can share more video based on your interest. So it is with anyone who want to learn Power BI. I'm Rupesh Bedge. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning. Thanks.